In this video, I will show you how to create an email address from a name in several different formats in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of employees containing first names in column B and last names in column C. I also have the company's domain name in cell D2. Now I want to automatically generate an email address from the list of names. I want to take the first letter of the first name, combine it with the full last name, add an @ symbol, and then add the company domain given in cell D2. To do this, I will use the left and lower functions. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. I will first use the left function and provide cell B5 and 1 as the arguments. This will get the one letter from the cell B5 from left, that is first letter of the first name. Now I want to add the last name to it, so I will type $sign and then select cell C5 to append the last name to the first letter of the first name. Next, I will convert the name part to lowercase using the lower function. This will convert the name string to the lowercase. I will now add the @ character by typing the $sign followed by the @ character in double quotes. In the end, we need to add the company domain name. So I will use the $sign again and then select the cell D2. I will also make the company domain name reference absolute using the $signs like this so that it does not change when we apply this formula to other cells. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, all our email addresses are created from the first and last names. We can generate email addresses in many different formats using a similar formula by joining the different parts. For example, let's create an email address in first name underscore last name @ domain format. To do that, I will first select cell B2, add an underscore using the $sign, select cell C2, convert the name part to lowercase using the lower function, add an @ using the $sign, select the domain name contained in cell D2 and make it absolute using the $signs. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, all the email addresses are generated in the desired format. We can also change the format to first name dot last name at domain format. To do that, I will just replace the underscore character with the dot and the rest of the formula will remain the same. Another popular email format is last name underscore first name at domain. To create an email address in this format, I will specify the last name first, followed by the underscore character and then the first name. The rest of the formula will remain the same. You can create as many formats as you want using a similar formula. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.